Hey, yo, look who showed up today. All right, so the first one was pretty good. Jacob and I did some, yeah, it was pretty good.
It was pretty great.
But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna invent something called a biplane. So I'm gonna basically fly up and Mojo's gonna be like this. And then I'm gonna fly up and just be like, oh, just dock right on him, dude. Just dock right on him. And then we're gonna flip off and he is going to biplane me. Mojo's making really perverted jokes about this earlier, but...
No, Evan's gonna on me, okay? And then I gotta roll over Evan, okay? That's the jump.
I'm adding bleeps to that in post. Mojo, you're a father, and this child is right there.
You're the one with the dirty mouth.
It's me. I'm his child.
Hey, yo, what? Hey, yo. All right, let's go biplane this. So the last time we tried this, Mojo was in a Swift, and it was too fast for me, so I was flying like that, and that, and that. But now he's in a Freak, and so we'll be able to keep up with each other, no problem. Let's go.
For when we land.
Come on, we're gonna do a biplane.
Hey, biplanes are good. Yep. Double the lift.
Greg, can you take us up to 18 for this one? Sure. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. I'm not gonna fly to the Air Force Base.
Just tell him it's 18, he'll believe it. Hey, I like your style, Greg.
Yeah, who checks their LT anyway?
Not me.
Greg doesn't. We learned that earlier. Greg, when do you check the altimeter?
Never.
Great. He just feels it. Just whenever something hits the plane, he's like, "Yep, we've landed." All right, so plans changed a little bit. We found out Daniela's doing a high pull, so we're gonna do a double flyby on her and then double biplane. So Daniela's getting out first, and then we'll do a 270 to the left. Mojo's gonna stay on my left side, potentially, allegedly, hopefully, and hopefully we can time it right. I think she's pulling at like 12, so that'd be good.
Hey Adam, how's that? High five, Greg. Thanks, dude.
Double flyby, double wingsuit rodeo, double biplane, double the fun. Let's go.
Man, that whole GoPro situation did not work out. Woohoo! Well, didn't exactly go to plan, but that was fun.
Mojo, I'm sorry if we land off, bro. Bro, I made those adjustments too fast, sorry!
Dude, I lost you in the sun.
Whew, that was still fun though. And we're not gonna land off. Okay, this is good.
I'm gonna do, 1,000 feet. I'm a little further than I should be. Oh, come on, give me some lift, trees. Give me some lift. Give me some lift. Okay, there's more lift. Sick.
They didn't set the arrow!
Yeah, I'm gonna go downwind a little bit. The other guy. Okay, cool. Mama, I'm going fast. Well, fast and high, but it's okay. Ah! Woo! Ooh, I felt that whip. Ooh, we got a good flyby. Bro, I'm sorry I made those adjustments too fast. Ooh, that's fast. Yeah, that was a good flyby too. Still a good jump. Oh, really?
I was adjusting it like this. So whenever I like had a slight turn to the right, I was like,
Yeah, dude, I feel like I made those adjustments too quick, but we were gonna go too short if we didn't. Bro, that was the fastest forward canopy flyby that I could see you. I was like, oh, she's covering a lot of ground. So I was like, let me give you a little bit more.
I looked up, I looked right, I looked left, you were coming, I was like, no, and then I felt like, like I hit your vertical.
Sick. All right, well, we'll try the biplane next time, Mr. Mojo.
I tried to like bend my knees a little bit. So
Yeah, no, that was good, but I think you should go extend it a little bit more.
Okay.
I think just for next time, yeah. Because I was kind of like in brakes too, and maybe I'm not flying my body well enough. Because you have a lot of like vertical speed.
Yeah.
So maybe we need to both convert that a little bit more to forward speed and lift. I got sucked into the back one, like my legs went first, and then I just went boom right there. Somewhat executed, we'll call it that. All right, guys, see you next one.